Hello, origami here, and welcome to a quick origami mask tutorial. Made this one as a request from Orlando, aka the Wrinkle Space. He has some nice worlds. Make sure to check him out. So let's start. For this one we need paper square. I have right here watercolor paper 160 GSM, and first we need to fold diagonals. I already have one, but goes like this, and the other one too. And unfold. Now we need to make the middle line. And the same thing here. Okay, now we take the bottom corners and bring it to the middle like this, and unfold. Turn the model over. And we take this line here and align it with the middle line, so this one goes like this. Careful on this point here, just push it there. And you don't really need to fold it the whole way. We need just a reference here, but you can go up to the diagonal line if you want. You just need direction here. So we go again with this line here on this line here, and we're gonna stay there. Okay, now the same thing on the other side. We take this line here, align it with the middle one like this. Again, we don't really need to fold the whole line, but I will go to the diagonal to be symmetrical somehow. And again, this one on this one like this. Okay, now we take the middle one and fold it a mountain, but the whole line like this. Okay, should look like this. And we're gonna take this line here, we're gonna take it down like 1 centimeter away, so we're gonna need right here a belly fold. Just push it down like this, so it looks like this. And now you can see on the back this point here, you can feel it here. It's just pinch to make a mark there, and we need to fold a little mountain from this point here to this diagonal here. So you're gonna need something like this. This one is up to you how long you take this one. Just make sure you get to this diagonal, so this point here and intersection with the diagonal. And now we need to take the same, you need to fold the same thing on this diagonal. Make sure you fold it on the same spot as possible. So it's gonna be like this, and go for a straight line, something like this. Okay, now turn the model over, and we need two mountains fold right here. So try to be somehow parallel, like this, and the same thing on the other side. It's more like a free folding style, but try to be symmetrical. Turn the model over, and now we need to fold the diagonals. Just bring it together like this and up to this point here, like this. And we have this point here, and we need to unite this point here on this layer. We need to unite this point here with this point here we just made a few moments back. So just go like this. And that's how we're gonna look on the other side. The same thing here. Fold the diagonal up to this point, turn the model over, unite this point with this line actually. So we're gonna be like this. You can keep this one like this, and move with the other hand until you reach that point. You can always reshape it a little bit. So it's gonna look like this. Now we don't need to flatten this one. We need to make it 3D somehow, and that's actually the Golden Knight. Now you know me, I don't usually do the same thing the same, so I'm gonna change a little bit these parts here, and just push this corner like this. Make sure to go from this point here somewhere, but not intersecting the line here, something like this. I just want to change the look. So the same thing here. Make sure you come from the corner like this. almost intersecting with this line, and fold it. And actually we can fold this one, we can fold it down like this. The same thing on the other side, like that. And I think that's it. You can stop on the golden knight if you want, but I like it. I like that too. It's kind of Transformers mask. Right, that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a quick origami mask. Thanks again for this request, Orlando. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you share your mask on social media, tag me in, Same Origami. It will be awesome. I will be glad to see how you manage it.